Look out!
Yeah. You're silly. It's not funny.
What's it like sitting at the table for the first time? Pretty fun, huh? Pretty amazing?
Did I catch you smiling at the ceiling fan? I did, huh? Is that one of your favorite things? It is? One of your most favorite things? Oh, really? You're so sweet. You have the best morning smiles. You do. The best morning smiles. You're so... What are you laughing at? Huh? You just got all kinds of stuff to say, huh? Yeah? Oh, really? And what else? You just like being at the table? Are you helping Mama cook? Yeah, are we making some fruit salad? Yeah. Can you get this one? You can get it. I know you can. Yeah. You almost got it. That's the fish again. You got it. You did. Kisses? Yeah. Like that? You just like to scream for no reason. Yeah, you do. Yeah. What was happening? What was happening? Where'd they go? There they go. Look at you go. Look at you go. Yeah. Are you angry? Yeah? You're angry? Aww. Yeah, everyone wants to talk to the little baby, huh? Yeah, you like it. I know you do. You're social. Come forward. Come get this forward. You can do it. You can do it. That was a big string of drool. You got a little bit further away. You're supposed to come towards me. Is that the best toy ever, Declan? Oh. What's happening, Duckles? What's happening? Yeah, there's a hat on your head. What's in your hand? It's a banana, huh? You're really a messy eater.
Aww.
Get it, Duckleback. See? It's a turtle, huh? Nice turtle. Yeah. See? it feel nice? Oh, nice.
Deckles, you're ready to crawl, huh?
Let's play. Whoa, what's that light over there? Oh.
Are you swinging? Are you swinging? You can do it, Deckles. Woo, Deckles! You did it! You moved your leg forward. Yeah! You're gonna do it. Yeah! You're doing it. Yeah! You're doing it. No, don't give up. There you go. Woo!
Walk, ready? Yeah, I'm gonna walk. Walk.
Good save, Deckles. Good save.
Good job, Deck. Oh, yeah. Keep doing it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good job, Declan. You can do it. Yeah. Open your mouth. Oh, God, that's even worse.
Clap, clap, clap. Yeah. Clap, clap, clap.
One lap to go.
You're silly. You said mom? Oh, mommy. Why are you shivering? Deckles, come here. Not crawling. No, that doesn't get. It's for you. For you. Nope, you can't have it. Nope, you can't have it. PJ Masks. Here we go. No. You're getting so good. Yeah.
Got so overzealous.
Good Deckles. Woo! Get it, get it, get it.
What? What'd you say? Yeah? You think so? Yeah?
Deckles. Vroom. Good job, Deckles. Did you climb it and now you can't get down? Are you a little mountain goat? Just put your foot down. Deckles, what are you doing now? Stop climbing stuff. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. You can do it, Deckles. Deckles, you did it. Good job. Thank you for climbing.
I'm going to climb on this and then I'm going to try opening it.
This is not for a climb on.
This is a new technique.
Mommy, next time I open my presents and there's one like this, I'm going to